Hey, welcome back to Rolling Country Outdoors. Scott here. Thanks for coming back and joining us on our journey here. Today I'm going to be working outside, doing some cleanup, and we started it a little bit. To be honest with you, I don't know if you have areas on your property where you're just kind of embarrassed, but that's what this is. It's a kind of a catch-all area down here at the bottom. I call it the bottom of the hill. We do mow down in this area, but it's just a catch-all. I'll show you. It looks better than it did, but I'm trying to get it cleaned up. And so there was a bunch of crap here, and a lot of it's moved out here, but I'm going to sort this stuff. It's just stuff that you don't want to get rid of, but you don't use it every day. And some of this stuff is Ron's, some of it's mine. So what I started doing was Landry cut that wood for us, and so we stacked it up there. And my intentions was to put in between these two trees here, and then kind of put stuff behind the wood. That way you wouldn't really see it. But I mean, it's just good stuff to keep, like this corrugated pipe here. I mean, I don't know when and if I'll ever need it, but I mean, we've come down here and picked stuff through it that we needed to, you know, the fencing there. We took a lot of fencing down when we moved here, and I mean, it's good fencing, and I want to keep it, you know. My wood splitter's over there, but I mean, it's probably stupid stuff to keep, but like this concrete. This was the concrete out of the bank barn up there. It's what would originally been outside the double doors on the high side. And it's either good fillers, or like I got some places in the pond where I can put them as stepping stones. So it's just stupid stuff that, you know, I don't know if it makes sense to keep it or not, but I'm keeping it. You know, so I'm just trying to organize it, make it look better down here, and then clean up this area here. Because I would like to put a tent camping site down here, because it's right next to the creek. And I'd like to put a tent camping site down here, do some tent camping. So I've got these logs lined up basically near the property line that trail is going to be at, that we're going to be working on that trail. But there's just a lot of undergrowth here that I need to get moved out of here, and I'm going to be digging a hole over there to be putting just kind of some debris in, and then getting some good topsoil to spread out in here, level everything out, and then hopefully get some grass going in here. And I've got a nice dirt pile there. It's got some compost in it, got some manure in it, so it's just good soil. They got a log pile that I've started over there, just, you know, logs that we can use for different things. But like these are platform and steps from the old woodshed, which, you know, we don't use anymore, but I kind of hate to get rid of it, but I think that probably needs to go. Anyway, we're gonna get this stuff cleaned up. I'm gonna get on the excavator. We're gonna get the area cleaned up, and then do some organization. So, not very exciting, but got a beautiful day. It's 80 for the high. It was 58 last night. It was a little chilly, but a lot of cloud in the sky. But so yeah, we'll get started on this. Give me a minute, we'll get rolling. Okay, we're making some progress down here. I've got everything moved. Got the excavator warming up over there. We're gonna go ahead and get the hole dug, and then all this debris on top we'll shove in the hole. We're gonna clean that burn pile up, probably spread out that dirt pile we have, but we've got everything moved over here. This stuff back here will stay behind this wood, and we'll finish this wood pile. That'll go all the way to this tree, so we'll have a little bit more room to kind of put stuff behind. I've got some paper on the ground, so hopefully no grass comes up through there. Then we'll organize the rest of this stuff and put behind here, but I just wanted it out of the way for now, and then it'll go behind the wood pile. So we're going to get this cleaned up. That's the game plan. So hang tight, here we go.